Hi Choice Kitchen, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making this succulent juicy snapper fresh fish. Let's get started. So to begin with, my fish is already cleaned and washed, so we're just gonna cut the fish into 4 or 5 parts. Keep watching. I really tried in cutting this fish. It was so hard. I should have allowed my fishmonger to do the job, but because I want to take you guys along from the beginning, that is why I didn't want my fishmonger to cut it. But it was really stressful to cut the fish because you need a bigger knife on this. So now I'm done slicing the fish, so I'm adding black pepper and salt. So I'm making sure that all the fish is coated with salt and pepper. Next, I'll be adding my dill spices. And after, I will cover to marinate for 2 hours. So as you can see, I added oil to my pot and start frying my onions. It has to be a lot of onions. So allow the onions to fry for like 7 minutes until they become golden brown. After the onions has fried properly, I went in with my red pepper. We'll also be adding my leeks, and I'll simmer that for 3 to 4 minutes. So next I'll be adding some coriander and mint leaf. I'll continue to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. So next I'll be adding curry powder. And followed with dills and some mixed pepper and salt. So now you want to combine together. Next, add some tin tomato and combine together. So guys, after adding the tomato, allow to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. You want to go in with your seasoning cube to taste. Next, add some salt to taste. Combine together and cover the pot to cook for 5 minutes. After that, you want to check on the sauce. Add some water, 2 cups of water. Combine together again. And leave it to cook for 4 minutes, and the sauce is ready. So friends, this is the next step we are going to be taking. This is my baking plate. I'm just going to add some of the sauce on the baking plate. Add a reasonable amount of the sauce to the baking plate. After that, go in with your seasoned fish we marinated at the beginning. So add like 3 or 4, it depends on the size of your baking plate. After that, go in with the sauce. You are free to try this recipe. It's so nice, very delicious. So guys, when done adding the sauce to the fish, you want to transfer to the oven on a medium heat and bake for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, this is the outcome of the fish. It was really delicious. I had mine with rice. You can give it a try, and if you watched up to this point of the video, don't forget to like and comment, share this video to your family and friends. Stay tuned for more amazing recipe. Thank you. Bye.